Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So number one, you want to pull down the notification panel like so, and for me, the Do Not Disturb mode is on the second page, as you can see right here. Now, for you it might be in a different place, but it should be somewhere here. So you can just look at different pages. And if you can see it, you can always tap on the edit button, and it should be also somewhere in the disabled one, so you can grab and drag it over to enable it. So from here, once you see it, you can either tap on it to enable it however it's set by default, like it's when it's selected like this, it's enabled. And you can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings of it, where you can customize how it works and also set up some kind of schedule for it. So number one, you have behaviors, so you have sound and vibration and notifications. You can choose how each one works during the Do Not Disturb mode. Then you have exceptions, which are probably the more important ones, which will allow you to add specific exclusions to different callers or messengers, depending on what you set up here. So for instance, right now it's set calls, allow calls from shared contacts. That is a different way of calling your favorite contacts, and you actually have to add them if you don't have any, as you can see right here. Now I do not have any contacts on this phone to show you, but you just simply add contacts that should be visible right here to the shared contacts, and then whoever is in your basically favorite contacts will be able to call you, even though you would have the Do Not Disturb mode on. Now you can also change it to be contacts only, like so, or from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this mode, or no one, which basically blocks literally every incoming call. So, and you also at the bottom here have allow repeat callers, so this will allow other people to reach you even though they would be excluded. So for instance, right now, if you set from shared contacts only and you have this checked on, if any contact from your phone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, the second time they will be able to reach you. So just a nice thing to have enabled. If someone really needs to reach you, they will probably call you multiple times within 15-minute period until you pick up. So this will allow them to actually reach you. Then you have the messages, which has the same options as you can see right here, from anyone, contacts, shared contacts, and none. So choose which one you want. And you also have a couple other notifications as reminders and events. So if you want them to ring up when you have something added, you can just check that on or leave it as it is, completely up to you. And then at the bottom you have schedule. So there's the ones that you can actually set up, so you can choose when you're tapping on it physically, so manual thing, and you can have it so you could add hours for it, so for how long it goes, and you can also choose right here, so that will be asked every time. And what it does is, I'm just going to quickly go to it. When you enable it, it just pops this up until you turn off or you set a time period. And you should also be able to automatically, there it is, so the last option, turn on automatically, will allow you to add a schedule. So you have a couple already pre-made, so you have event and sleeping, which if you go into sleeping, it's going to be basically a sleeping one every single day of the week, and starts at 10 and ends at 7 in the morning. But you can also add another one, so time, whatever. Oh, I actually have to name it something, so there we go. And now you can tap on the days of the week and choose which days you want it to be working. And now I'm gonna make it into a work Do Not Disturb mode. So Monday through Friday, start time 9, end time 5 p.m. Let me just change that to a.m. Okay, so from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it looks like it's automatically saved. And by creating it, it automatically is enabled, as you see right here. but you can disable it by topping it off, and now it won't turn on automatically. Now once you enable this, every single, or from Monday to Friday, it will automatically turn on from 9 to 5, and after 5 it will turn off and go back to normal. So if this would have been set up before, because I don't think it turns on right now, yeah, so if this would have been set up before 9, it would turn on itself right now and be enabled till 5 p.m. But that is how you would set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.